Hey guys, it is Friday. I'm headed to the salon. I just dropped off our boy at the airport, our foreign exchange student from Korea, Jin. He is going home to his sister's in California for Christmas break. So this morning was a little bit crazy because just this whole week before Christmas has been like crazy, like absolutely nuts. So I ended up having to move my day around today to get him to the airport, but we worked it out. And so I just dropped him off, and now I'm headed to the salon. Since I had to move my day around, I only have one client today. Hello everybody, I just need to reinstall Jordan's extensions. It took us about 4.5 hours. And I'm trying to stretch my back. I am like such a grandma. I have like a terrible cramp now, like in my shoulder right here. And like I have like a weird thing going on in my stomach because I haven't eaten all day. It's like really, I don't know, it just feels weird. And so I'm like walking around weird, but it's because I sat in this chair, so my dryer broke. And so I got just this dryer that stands up, but I had to get a new chair. So that's short. And anyway, that's why I'm like in pain. I was like a little, like my muscles were frozen. But anyway, we're done. But since it took a little bit longer than we expected, we decided not to do color tonight because we were both like so ready to go home. So I'm done for the day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.